Tippy. That's a big wave. Oh my gosh. Ah!
It's like a roller coaster.
I probably won't actually stop. Dad would always say, screaming means you're having fun.
I'm gonna be alright. I've been caught in time. I want you to know that I love you so.
It's a little dark and stormy over there, right? Once we're around, then we'll kind of bear off. Pick up speed quite a bit.
Will we start going that way?
Yeah.
Because then we're going north of the waves.
Yeah.
Okay, friend. Good morning. We got underway this morning. Well, Aaron got us underway this morning, so we could make it through. What would you call that? A tidal section? What would you call that?
Gabriola Passage.
So we could get through the Gabriola Passage, and now we're out in the Strait, and it's blowing. There's a little bit of wind going on. How fast are we going, babe? 5 knots. Going 5 knots to the jib up. A little bit of waves out here today, and we're just gonna cross the strait over to Vancouver.
And I feel like gold. And I love you so. I'm gonna be alright. I've been caught in time. I want you to.
We are sailing.
Seven. We hit 7. I saw 7.
Nice. What's your fastest speed in the boat so far?
Like actually sailing? 7. Like I've seen 10.
Yeah.
But we were flying over the river
All right.
under sail, but we're kind of cheating.
We've basically made it across the whole strait already. We had some amazing sailing basically the whole way. We were making over 5 knots the entire way, which was just incredible. First time being able to like actually feel the boat get moved around by the ocean that much before. I've never really experienced something like that, and that was something else. Really cool to get the drone out and get some really cool, some pretty incredible shots. We're now just coming up in on Vancouver now. We're gonna head into False Creek area. This has just been so good. Janelle's taking a little bit of a nap. Kind of. I mean, one way you can tell when the wind has kind of died down out here and the waves have gotten a little smaller is if you just like listen, and if you don't hear Janelle screaming, you know it's died down a little bit. We're definitely closer to the city now. There's tankers around, and UBC is kind of just over that way. There's a bunch of other smaller sailboats out now. fire in Falls Creek. Just came in. That's Science World behind me, BC Places over there. And we're getting off the boat. Our trip has come to an end. Just a quick overnighter. Man, that was some good sailing this afternoon. That was so cool. We kind of just hung out there on the edge of English Bay, just kind of tacking our way in. That was a lot of fun. I just had a hoot there. That's something else. And now we're taking our bags over. Janelle's already over at the shore. Aaron's locking up the boat. And that's the end of our trip. Wow.
Barely moving.
Goodbye. Sardonyx. Oh, yeah. What was that?
I'm trying to see what I look like.
We have made it back to where we started. We just got driven back from Vancouver. And I think that trip was a great success. What does Janelle think?
It was amazing. I had a really good time. I'm pretty tired. But it was a lot of fun.
It's pretty crazy how much a small boat can just get like moved around by just swelling water through the ocean.
Yeah.
But it's really cool being on a boat that size as you kind of get thrown around by the ocean a little bit with someone that actually knows what they're doing and has been on it before and owns the boat. Because it just gives you more because if we ever rented a boat, we'd probably rent a boat like that size. So it just gives us more confidence just knowing, okay, like this stuff, like this, he's not stressed, so we don't need to be stressed. I'm pretty excited about the idea of getting out on a boat, just Janelle and I, at some point in the future. Don't know how soon, but I'm getting more and more excited about it each time. And I'm just so grateful. Thanks, Aaron, for taking us with you. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. What should people remember to do? I feel like I should be reminding people to do stuff. I don't know. Do whatever you want. If you want a t-shirt, you can go get one of those. Support what we're doing, which is maybe if you buy lots of t-shirts, we could get a boat. Let's make that the goal. Buy tons of t-shirts, we'll buy a boat. It'll be awesome. We'll make more great videos. And anyhow, catch you in the next one. Remember,
Life's better when you make stuff.
life's better when you make stuff. Peace.